Do you care? Hello, hello, hello. I haven't done this in a while where I just film something simple, nothing overcomplicated. So come to the farmers market with me and generally spend a day with me. I'm not really sure about my outfit, but let me show you what it looks like. It's a dress from Next, and my sweater is from Primark, and that's from Temu. Lego. My mommy did my hair, and I don't know if you can see that.
Your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. Sit down, trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Let it go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose the rest, but it will wake up in front of me. Oh, I'll be my other favorite smile.
I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm out here walking around. I'm just so happy.
Always inside, good at living in my mind.
Okay, I'm home now and I want to show you everything that I got, and I don't even know this video if it's for, is this supposed to be short form or for YouTube? I don't know, but let me show you everything I got today. So I'm making gift bags for some, if I see my kids, people are going to think I have kids. They're just girls that are younger than me that I consider my kids. So I'm making, there's 10 of them. I hope so. I'm making gift bags for them, and I got this designs because I think they're very cute. And honestly, they were the only ones there that didn't look too childish. Then I also got these glass jars for my tea, for my chamomile and green tea. I got 2 of them, and I got them from this new store in Air Square, and that's the name of the store. And they are in Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, whatever that land is, Germany, and everywhere else. And then I got a new umbrella because the one I had broke, and I've had it since I moved here. That's about like almost 2 years now. So it's black and pink, my favorite colors. So, and yeah. Okay, now food for the week. I don't know if I'm going to show you what I make for the week, my meal prep, but if I do, I'd show you. And I don't really think I want to do any meal prep because I don't have work the whole of the week till the weekend, so I kind of have time to cook, and I'd like to like cook different stuff. But the thing about cooking different meals, 1, energy, 2, I might have to buy different ingredients, and I don't want to do that. And I really like doing meal prep. It just helps me to eat well, because once I'm hungry, I'm really lazy to cook. So I might do meal prep and if I do, I'd show you what I make. I got zero fat Greek yogurt, got some baby jam, some celery. Oh! Why? Some mixed peppers, 1 cucumber, 2 lemons, grapes, and chicken thighs. I got something else. Oh yeah, ginger and garlic. Yeah, and that's all for today. I don't know if this is the end. This is the end.
This is the end.
Oh yeah, if this is for YouTube, and I don't know how I'm going to explain that, but hi guys, I want to show you some of the things, and I don't know if I should. I don't know why I should. Do you care? But I want to show you some of the stuff my mother got for me, food stuff. Is that important? Let me just show you anyways. Starting off strong, dried prawns. Cause why not? I have some afang. If you don't know what afang is, you're not ready to live this life. Pepper soup spice. That's how it looks, grounded. And then she got me 2 of this, and this is tamba. It's finger millets. This is really good for breakfast and for dinner. It's really good. I can't wait to have it. I should probably have it later today, but I really like this a lot, and I have like a year's supply. A happy girl. She also got me grounded crayfish, which I already kept somewhere. Grounded crayfish, pepper. I think that's all. Then she got me some other stuff, but they're clothes and stuff, so I just show you that when I go upstairs. I'm out of breath. I need a nap, and I don't know how this vlog is going. I'm not really sure. Morning, strawberry calzone.
Morning. Strawberries and cream calzone. Amazing, thanks.
Lots of people don't know what that is, but good morning, everybody. Today or for the week, I'm going to be showing you everything I eat. So it's basically what I eat in a week. And for context, I'm currently intolerant to eggs, and I want to say gluten, but I haven't done the test, but I know for a fact that I might have become gluten intolerant, but I'm not sure. And I say for the while because I just think it's a thing that will pass. I think by next year I'd be able to eat eggs again. Eggs, I would say, and I'm also lactose intolerant. I've been that for a while. But yeah, let me show you. So today I want to make, or this morning I want to make oat and banana pancakes with peanut butter. So yeah, and I try to look very cute. I usually don't wake up this cute. I took a shower and all. Gosh. But yeah, sugar. Why instead of lying in my kitchen? This is one of the many reasons I'm going to kill it. This is one of the many reasons I hate the summer. Bro, watch me kill this fly. Oh, look at you there. You think you got this food? Let's get back to business. This is everything we need. Oh, milk. We need some milk. Some almond milk. I think this one you just add it to like for consistency. Gonna blend that up. Mash it up. Mash it up.
Mash it up. Mash it up. Mash it up. Mash it up.
You guys know Victor Kunda. He does the best cooking videos. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Now let's fry. Let me get my pan. pan and some cooking spray. That's all you need. I also have to film. I need to do that. They're gonna meet. For my peanut butter, I'm just going to use this granola. My mother got me this, and I'm just going to put that in there. So, depending on how you like your peanut butter, smooth, you like crunch in it. I like it like crunchy, which I might not like some days, but I like mine crunchy. And I think this took about 3 minutes, and it looks like that now. It's not smooth, but sorry, that needs some salt. I'm gonna add in some salt and then blend it again. I like that. Love that. This just might have it's breaking. No, our table. It's broken.
Oh no! Our table! It's broken!
This is what they're looking like. See? They're not like hard like I'd like them to be. This is the pancake. The last ones I did came out really good. Peanut butter, I'm gonna do a tablespoon just on top, and hopefully that just melts down. And then I'm gonna do some grapes on the sides because I don't know where else to put them. A close-up look. Where is this supposed to? I feel like that's wrong. Yeah, this is, the fork is not the right fork, I'd say. Cut down. Bon appetito. I really hope I post this video because what the heck? Hold on. It's really good. It's really good. The cinnamon and the bananas. Ooh. And the fact that bananas. The fact that the bananas are like almost the best. It's really good. And the peanut butter on it is great. Okay. I approve of this recipe. Try this at home. I'll see if I have anything for lunch. Bye. Oh, it's okay. It's not there. That's what this was. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to July. We are, I look rough, don't I? We are at the bowling alley. Ella, say hi. Guys, I'm doing such a terrible job and I don't know what's going on. This is not my scene, but I'm enjoying myself though. This is my outfit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to go straight into it. I'm going to be showing you everything I eat, I think in the month of July, because people ask me what do I eat and people think what I eat is weird and people don't think I eat very adventurously as a chef should do, but I really like simple meals. I like simple food because I'm a simple girl and I'm currently very intolerant to a lot of things, so I also have to cut out plenty of things, but I try to work around that and make meals that are simple because I don't really like complicated stuff. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some fried rice and some chicken with some peanut butter because I have it and I want to use it up. And also I'm going to show you how I make my chia seed pudding and my overnight oats that keep me through the day and has helped me lose 10 kg ish, 11 if you want to count it properly. I lost weight and it's great, and I know for a fact it's eating well has helped me more than like working out or any other thing and many other life things. But let's go straight in the video. I'm not going to be talking. I don't like to talk in videos. I'd rather do a voiceover, but I think it's sure enough to be descriptive visually, if that makes sense.
I know they approach you.
Guy, man, I don't know why they don't approach people. But they say they came off. Let me even cleanse some people. If you see me,
Sharp, don't want to give you for his egg instead of egg.
why do you want egg instead of egg? Why do you know it now? If I ghost, bro, what are we even saying? We both like ghost people.
I don't ghost people.
Because it's just some things that I go talk. Guy, I don't understand.
But you acknowledge that I dropped that face.
You know?
So like, what is that? Like,
I don't know whether I have full cake in my.
because I know if you have full cake, you would have used the cake.
I would have what? I would have given
Cake.
you. Thank you.
Cake for
Come down in the house, bro.
10 chips.
She just admitted it. She knows if I have cake, she's gonna chop that cake.
Auntie Shay.
Well,
But
it's fine.
is to hold money. Yes, now.
Sorry.
But you're cordial now.
I suppose see I'm the throw away face.
Yeah, and then my friend left her toothbrush on the sink. Other guests came in. What my friend used to brush her teeth is what they used to do their edges.
We just look you, and I'll laugh. Unless she gave me wrong. Please. That's what I do. That's what I do.
The choice
That's what I do.
is so passive aggressive.
This is why are we arguing? So,
Oh, you're a language big.
but like, it's not you are arguing. There are 500 people that haven't agreed.
So the group chat fighting. Guess what? For us to have the meeting at Kundubisi, for us to stand in.
You already seen me chopping up stuff and I have 2 containers. So basically I have 2 containers of harder vegetables and softer vegetables. And in here I have carrot, celery, onion, broccoli and cauliflower. So I'd add them in to the rice before I add in the bell pepper, sweet corn and basil. So those are just softer vegetables, and yeah. And harder vegetables need a bit more time to cook. Wait, hold on. Wow, that's so... Hi.
My lovely Jemima is here to play with.
We're in the beach. We're in the beach. Hey, get it. This scuba. Get it. And then there's you coming out of nowhere.
Do you want to try that? Yeah. Okay, so you lie on your belly and you put your chin over this.
Can she do it?
Guys,
Welcome to the beach.
actually I'm wearing my goggles because I want to go in the water.
Yeah.
But Jemima,
Do you tell us what you done today? Like since we came to the beach.
yeah, I just came in.
Yeah. And then we have like water guns, and then we got ice cream.
I'm eating this.
And a cookie, and then somebody gave us like
Yeah, those like surfboards.
the boards, and then we got to do them for a while.
Please don't end it. I want to say something else.
What do you want to say?
Take a video. I wanted to say that God,
Jemima,
the
take
sun
a
is
video
shining.
of me shooting water.
And that's just shooting water.
This is summer in Galway, and it's what's today? It's July 16th,
2026.
2026.
You can see this is actually a nice
And the
weather.
summer is great. And then tomorrow we're gonna watch Moana.
Man,
You wanna
yeah.
come with us?
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch Moana tomorrow, and then
In the
Guys, I'm gonna go to the water.
cinema.
in cinema. Yeah, of course.
Mama, I want to do the sleepover like we did at your Jemima.
Sleepover, yeah.
Yeah.
We should do that. Should we do that today?
Yes.
I'll come over today.
Yes.
Yes, definitely.
You probably have work tomorrow.
No, I don't.
Now let's
You have work next
Wait,
tomorrow.
let's throw out a very big party.
So we're gonna do a sleepover.